Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for stock trading. ChatGPT can be used to provide insights and ideas related to stock trading. But it is important to note that it should not be relied upon the sole source of information for making trading decisions. Trading in the stock market involves significant risk, and it is important to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Here are few ways you can use ChatGPT for stock trading. Market analysis. You can use ChatGPT to analyze the stock market and provide insights into market trends, economic indicators, and other factors that may affect your stock prices. Stock analysis. You can use ChatGPT to analyze individual stocks and provide insight into their financial health, growth potential, and other factors that may affect their stock prices. Trading strategy. You can use ChatGPT to generate trading strategies based on your investment goals, risk tolerance, and other factors. ChatGPT can help you identify potential entry and exit points as well as other trading parameters. News analysis. You can use ChatGPT to analyze financial news articles and provide insights into how the news may impact stock prices. To use ChatGPT for stock trading, you can input questions or prompts related to the information you are looking for. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to analyze a particular stock or provide insights into our market trend. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on the data and information, and it has been trained on. However, it is important to keep in mind that ChatGPT's responses are based on past data and may not necessarily predict future market performance. Therefore, it is still important to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any trading decisions. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!